Hi guys, today we're opening Disneyland Resorts 70 from McDonald's. Here's all the characters, so I'm wishing I get Lilo. Wait. Lilo or I forgot what her name is. Tangled.
Wow, you saw him too. Is Lion King?
Or Moana. My sister's so excited for hers. So we're gonna go ahead and open ours. Drum roll. I'm joking. Drum roll. We're not gonna look. Oh, that's cool. It's the one from Monsters Inc. This is the one that I wanted, but I mentioned her name? I don't know. Oh, we get duplicates of the same. I think I'm gonna give one to my sister and one for me, and then my sister will give me one. So yeah, we'll see you.